Hello and welcome to AALogics. The Zatca in Saudi Arabia has made it mandatory for business to issue electronic invoices instead of paper invoices. This extension helps your Magento 2 store comply with phase 1 of Zatca e-invoices. Our Magento 2 e-invoicing extension is designed to make compliance effortless. Here's what we offers: tax, automatic e-invoicing, and QR code generation. Once you purchase this extension and install it into your Magento 2 store. After installation, go to the Magento admin panel. First, you will see the Magento dashboard in front of you. Now click on stores from here and then go to the configuration. After that, click on AALogics and then simply click on Zatca. Now, the general section will appear on your screen and you can see these fields here. First, you can enable or disable the extension from this section. Next, enter the seller name and then add the text number. After that, you will find the QR scale where you can adjust the QR code size as per your requirements. Then there is a details field where you need to enter your information such as name, address, email, etc. Lastly, there is a QR code position setting where you can choose where to place the QR code on the invoice like footer, top, etc. So now we will go to sales and then navigate to invoices. Simply click on invoices. It took a moment. Here you can see that all the invoices for different orders are displayed. Next we will select a specific invoice and view it, and now you can see that the invoice is fully visible and all the details are available. To generate the Zatca XML file, we will click on generate Zatca XML from the top section. The file will now be downloaded. Once downloaded, we will open the XML file and you can see that the Zatca compliant XML has been successfully generated according to the official rules and regulations of Zatca. Now, if we want to print the invoice, we can click on the print option at the top and it will be download in PDF format. Now, you can see that the invoice has been successfully generated. It includes invoice number, order number, customer name, email, and address. Here is the shipping details at the bottom and as well pricing details including the total cost. So if you want to your Magento 2 store get aligned with Zatca Fatura, then get it now from shop.AALogics.com and ensure your business meets Zatca Phase 1 requirements hassle free.